We're back. Welcome to Daryn Klein Racing. It's Thursday night about 5:45. Daryn and Dave are changing the spark plugs. We took last weekend off, planned weekend off to spend with the family for the holiday. We all had a great weekend. Car was pretty much done except for a couple changes Daryn wanted to make tonight. Made them. They are getting spark plugs changed, which was much needed, and we will be loading up to run Brownstown tomorrow night, be the final tune-up before next weekend's 10,000 to win 100 lapper. Saturday night we will be at Peevely this week and next week. This Saturday night is the final bi-state battle points night. It's tight between Michael and us, but if Michael shows up, he's pretty much got that championship wrapped up. And I do believe next Saturday night is the Pepsi Nationals. So we're getting ready.
Mike McKinney said, we were talking just a minute ago, Mike McKinney, the modified driver, said that she looks like a warm plate of brownies, boys. She's going to be fast.
Gap tighter.
Yeah, these are about almost 30.
There you have it right there.
Now wants the brownies, man. Come on, Mike.
Thank you for that. All right, just
Smile.
I think that's enough.
Air conditioning. Air conditioning. Got the world on night one. loaded up, ready to rock for Brownstown tomorrow. Got something new Daryn's gonna try on the car. Hopefully it works out well, as we think it should. Thanks for watching. If you like what you're seeing, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. Drop us a comment. Race season is starting to wind down here in our area. We didn't race last weekend because it was either Fairbury or Red Hill, and it was Daryn's Saturday to work, so we just had pre-planned to take off and enjoy time with our families. I know, like I said, Brownstown Peevely this weekend, Brownstown Peevely next weekend, and then I believe the following weekend or the next weekend is Mod Mania at Granite City, which will be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, one of Daryn's favorite races of the year. So, and then I don't know what's gonna happen after that. We may be done for the year. There is an MLRA race in October, I believe the first or second weekend at Granite City, but racing season is fastly coming to an end around here in St. Louis, so we will catch you all later.